Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how can we apply data validation in form of decimal validation. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I have a very simple example. There are few columns. This one, the input, product, city. So what I would like to see, so in my input column, I want if any user type any numeric, that numeric should be more than 59.55 pounds. So I need to set some decimal validation here. So how can I do this? So I will select all those cells and then go to Data tab, and then there is a data validation. Click this one, a window will pop up. The first one from here, allow, is select decimal, and then what's the data? So I will select greater than, because my criteria is the numeric should be greater than this numeric. And what's the minimum? What's the baseline? Is that this number? F4 to fix it. Enter. Press OK. Now the data validation has been applied. If I try to type the number lower than my range, lower than my criteria, so it won't let me type it. You can see now. If I try to type the numeric above than my criteria, it will let me type this number. So this is how you can quickly apply the data validation related to the decimals. So I delete it for the time being. There is a shortcut way of applying the data validation as well. So select all those cells and then press Alt A V V. So the same window will pop up. Then you can select the decimal from here, and then you can select the greater than, and then obviously select the minimum base, which is this one. Press F4 to fix this, enter, and then press OK. And now the decimal validation has been applied on your data. Let's talk about the custom message and the error message. So for example, if I want any user hover the mouse within this column, that user should see some message, some custom message. So I will select all those cells and then go to data validation. You can see now input message. Now I can type any message. For example, if I write input message, type decimal, press OK. Now anyone who click within this column, that person will see that message, type decimals. Next one is error message. What I want, if anyone try to enter the numeric below this number, the system will stop that user. I also want to display some message along with that stop error. So I will select all those cells, go to data validation, and then error alert. So, so it will stop the user. You can choose the warning or information as well. Stop the user and then also type the message, enter valid decimal. Press OK. Now if I trying to type any numeric lower than my criteria, so it won't just stop, it will also show the message as well, which say enter valid decimal. Yeah, so this is how you can apply the data validation on your data. So how can I remove the data validation on my data? So I will select all those cells which has data validation, and then from Home tab, I can see the clear button. If I press clear all, it will clear all the formatting from those cells. So this is how you can quickly remove the data validation from your data. Control Z to go back. There is a shortcut key to remove the data validation as well. So the shortcut key is Alt H E A. So it will perform the same function. It will remove all the data validation formatting from your data. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.